Now that I've filtered the sheets, I'm going to start my estimate. So the first tab that I'm looking at is the construction plan. And if I zoom in on this, I can see that there's some casework in room 613. That is on sheet A7.2, and that's elevation 5. So my next tab, I've got sheet A7.2, and I'm looking at elevation 5. I apologize, my mouse has been going a little crazy. I'm going to create that location or that room. So I will click on creating a rectangle, and I now have that location created. Obviously, it's going to be important that I name and number it. So once my location is created, oh, I apologize, it is confused. There we go. Then I need to number it, and it is room 613, and it is called copy room. So next up, I am going to start putting products on it. In order to put products on this in this room, I'm going to upload a palette I created, and that has the most common sizes and shapes of cabinets that we have. Shapes is not the right word, but there you go. So I have 42 products to choose from. So this right here is going to be a 3-drawer stack. So in order to place that on there, I would look at a base cabinet drawer bank, box, and it is, I don't know how tall, but I would typically go check. I also need to set the scale, so I will call it the 3/8 to 1 inch scale. Let's say it's a 32.5 inch tall cabinet, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on there. Now, when I do that, I have tons of options to choose. I can choose the width, I could choose the height, I could choose the depth. So for instance, this is going to be about a 12-inch wide cabinet. I'll put that in. It doesn't have any finished ends, but I could add those. If I wanted, I could change the drawer stack, things like that. But the reason I created that palette is that most of these options are already set for me. So let's say I'm also going to do this upper cabinet. So I want to go find a PL01 wall cabinet, and I'm going to say that that's 36 inches tall. I'll put it in there. And this in particular is 24 inches wide, and it has one finished end, so I'll go ahead and set that to a finished end. There you go. So once I've done all of this, and I've created all of the products that exist in a bid, I can first look at it over here on budget, and under products, it should be filtering it by the location as well. So you can see under 613 room, I have a wall cabinet and a base cabinet. These are their costs and the total price, and those total $211.13. That is our cost, and then with the markup, we sell it for $323.89. We have all the information about material that goes into those products. Right there, we have the labor that goes into those products, which would include machining time, applying the edge banding, handling, everything that's associated with it. And we can go look at summary, and you can see that here is your total product price right here. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of the estimate and call it good.